Hi, Ashley. I really liked the way you did your presentation. The slideshow looked really interesting and really caught my eye throughout your presentation. With the state testing, I 100% agree. I do not like that we do the state testing to honestly measure where our students at because it's not even throughout the whole year. And there's still a lot that I know I teach in the last 2 months of school after the state testing. I think the ideas that you have created for your district are really great ideas for most districts, honestly. My current district also needs to have a lot of work with morale. Since COVID, we've kind of been struggling with morale, and I know a lot of people are looking for different jobs with new superintendent and our board just not doing well. You did a great job on your presentation, and I'm excited to have you in class.